Guys, welcome to Creatively Homemade. My name is Jennifer and I love to share creative paper crafting ideas. So today I wanted to tell you about my January customer appreciation gift and also show you how to make this cute little Valentine's Day card. But before I get started with that, exciting news, the new Occasions catalog is live and also the Celebration promotion. If you are not familiar with Stampin' Up Celebration promotion, it is a great time to stock up on stamp sets and really build your craft supplies. This brochure is full of stamp sets and other things that you can get for free with a $50 purchase. So you can get one item from this with every $50 you spend with Stampin' Up. So you can get a ton of free items from Stampin' Up during Celebration. So if you have not already seen the Celebration brochure or the Occasions catalog, I will link to them down below so you can look at them online. So in addition to all the Celebration gifts that you can earn from Stampin' Up directly, I also like to give a customer appreciation gift each month as well. So if you place a $50 or more order from my online Stampin' Up store and use this month's host code, I will send you a free gift. So since Valentine's Day is going to be coming up, I thought it would be fun to give away a Valentine themed gift. So the kit you're going to get includes the Sweetheart embossing folder, and then it also includes a card kit to make this cute card. So I want to go ahead and show you how to put this card together. So your kit is going to come in a cellophane bag like this, and it contains all the pieces you need to make the card. So you're going to get a rich raspberry card base. You're going to get a white insert to put on inside the card because this is a darker piece of cardstock. I want you to be able to write inside the card. You're going to get a piece of pink Pirouette cardstock. You're going to get a little scalloped heart. You're going to get 2 scalloped hearts cut from the new Painted with Love Designer Series paper, which has some gold foiling on it. And you're going to get a 12-inch length of ribbon. So let me show you how to put this together. Start by taking this pink Pirouette piece and running it through your die cut machine with the Sweetheart embossing folder. You just want to center it so the heart is right in the middle and then run it through. Now I've already got one completed, so I don't have to drag out my die cut machine on camera. So I'm going to set that aside. And you want to use some adhesive on the back of this white piece and put that on the inside of your card. It's going to leave a little bit of a border all the way around it. Okay, and then you want to use some adhesive on the back of your embossed piece. I recommend Fast Fuse anytime you have embossing. Helps it stick down a little bit better because that wants to pull off. Okay, and stick that down on the front of your card. Again, there's going to be a slight border all the way around. And if you want to make these cards on your own and you're not getting the kit, all the dimensions are over on my blog post, and I have that link down below. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to stamp a sentiment on this little scalloped heart that's cut from Calypso Coral cardstock. I'm going to be using the Lovely Wishes stamp set that is new in the Occasions catalog for 2018, and I'm just using this You Warm My Heart sentiment. So I've got that already on my block, and I'm using rich raspberry ink. And I'm going to stamp that right in the center of that heart. One thing I do want to note about my kits is that I cannot include any stamped images. That is Stampin' Up's policy. But you can, if you don't have the new Lovely Wishes stamp sets, you can either get that at the link below down in the description box, or you can use any stamp set you might have on hand. Okay, so that's all the stamping that we need to do for this card. So now I am going to add the ribbon. This is just a 12-inch length of ribbon. I'm going to add a little bit of adhesive right in the middle of this embossed heart right there. And I'm going to run this ribbon back and forth. Just like so. It just adds a little pretty something to the card. And you can see you're going to have some extras, so just cut off what you have left over. Now we're going to add some Stampin' Dimensionals to the back of this heart. 3 works pretty well. And that is going to go right over the top of that ribbon. Just like so. And then the last thing you need to do is take these 2 little designer series paper hearts and put them in the corner. This is double-sided paper, so you can use the side that's just like the watercolor brush pattern, or you can use the side with the gold foiling. I'm going to use the side with the gold foiling to give the cards some glitter. So I'm just going to put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of that. And then you want to put 1 in the upper right corner and then 1 in the lower left corner. And that's all there is to it, and your card is finished. Quick and easy. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick and easy Valentine's Day card tutorial. If you're interested in getting the free embossing folder, all the details are down in the description box below. And remember, this free gift is in addition to any celebration gifts you might earn directly from Stampin' Up! And before I go, I would also like to tell you about a great way to earn additional free Stampin' Up! Products. If you purchase the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit for $99, you get $125 in products of your choice. So you're getting $26 in free products right off the bat. And then during celebration, Stampin' Up! Is giving you 2 additional free stamp sets. So that's a great deal. You can get up to a $50 stamp set, or 2 of them, absolutely free. So if you purchase the starter kit for $99, you can get up to $225 in product. So that is a great way to build up your stamp library. And that offer is available through March 31st if you'd like to take advantage of it. I have more information down in the description box below or on my blog at creativelyhomemade.com. If you ever have any questions about this tutorial or Stampin' Up! Products or anything paper crafting, be sure to let me know. Leave me a comment down below. I'm happy to help, and I welcome the chance to earn your business. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great start to the new year. Happy crafting!